Uh-oh, what's in here? Oh, yes. That's crazy. So that says TR3551, whereas my other one says TR3550. Should plug right in. I'm so excited for this thing. That case is so much better looking than the other one.
I bet you they use the same case.
You think so?
Yep.
Oh, stuck. Set it side by side with the other one.
Yeah, you're gonna have more room.
Oh yeah, look at up top, especially.
Up top, and the tail shaft housing.
Oh yeah,
is thinner than this.
Oh, this is on the opposite side though. So this is my pickup for my sensor. It's on the opposite side, which is not a big deal. I think I've got enough because my wire comes out here. It'll just go over the top and plug in. That'll be fine.
Yeah, you can actually run it right here.
Yeah, and then this, I think that's, I'll just have to change plugs out because this, I believe, is that. And then on the other side, yeah, here's my reverse. Yeah, so that's on the same side, and then I'll just have to swap this connector out.
That's on different sides too. But you can still...
I think that'll be enough, because those come out the same spot over the top, so if we just do all of them over the top,
yeah,
just swap this. I think I've got a couple more weather packs just like this one. Swap that on there, call it good. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
that looks like the same speed sensor.
I'm gonna have to frickin' grab onto it. Ready?
You might want to move your head back a little so we can start to... You ready?
Yep. Okay, I got it.
Got it?
Yep, got it.
My trusty rag here so I can walk.
Alright, ready? A little more. Alright, there we go. Hell yeah. It's not bad. Alright. Ready to go up? We're gonna have to
come back just a hair. Okay, now.
So we're gonna be underneath the drive shaft safety loop. So we'll have to tip it and put that end in.
Okay.
Yep, just like that.
Okay. You got more room over there now?
Oh yeah, perfect. Oh.
Yeah, I won't be able to kind of hold the side to side.
Okay. I've got the tail shaft.
Let me just do it this way.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Okay, hold on.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna have to stab it in here and go forward.
Yep. Right
there.
All right. You want to look and see?
I can see it right here.
Okay.
Just need to go up. Oh.
Okay, that's starting to move that.
No, hold on. It's too far. There we go. All right, so we gotta go in a little more. Just
we'll
until.
have to angle this.
Let me go down a little bit because we're hitting on the tunnel. The shifter is anyway. Okay, we need to. There we go. That was it. Okay, we're gonna go up now and we'll clear the tunnel, and then we'll have to probably get it squared away and
we're going
stab
to.
it.
You can't go up much more because we're going to hit the exhaust.
Go over a little bit. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay. Or are you talking on this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can adjust
We
that.
probably need to try to rotate it a little.
It's got to at least go right there. Let's go up a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go. That's it.
Are we lined up for the?
Yeah, we are lined up. So all we've got to do is go up a hair and then in.
Okay, don't tighten it all the way down.
Mine's long-winded. Well, sorry that it's a really dark video. You can't see anything, but yeah, we got the TKX mounted in here. It goes right in place of the TKO/TR3550, so that is awesome. It really was just pulled it out and put it in, you know. What are my thoughts on a TR3550 versus TKX? I mean, the TKX looks better. This thing, though, has been really strong, and I hope that the TKX lasts even half as long as this does with me beating the snot out of it. This thing has lasted 12 years. I have beat the ever-living tar out of it, and it never flinched. The only thing I don't like about this, the TR3550, is the shifting. So anytime I revved it over like 6 grand, this thing just does not like to shift very high. So that is what I'm hoping the TKX fixes. Last thing is putting the drive shaft in, and then I don't know. I've got a lot of other things to do. I've got all kinds of things, all kinds of parts that need put in there. I've got a coilover kit, so we might leave it up on the jack stands for a while. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. Well, the TKX is in, and I'm excited to test it, but obviously later in the night and season, so we'll see. I really need a new boot on there. Man, that thing is just chewed up. Time to get a new boot on there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Drive fast, take chances. See you guys in the next video.